Hey guys, it's Leo, and today I'm going to show you guys how to find the best products to sell on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to be covering 4 different methods to use to find the best products to sell on your store. I know people have a lot of problems sometimes. They don't know what to sell. They have problems finding products, etc. I'm going to show you guys little tips and tricks how to find your little products. And let's go to it. So the first method is to search in the Etsy feed. This is a great way to see what products are trending right now, what people are buying, etc. Things like that. You can do this by simply just logging into your Etsy, just scrolling down the main page and seeing what people are buying, how many people have things in their carts and things like that. You can just type a niche if you want. You could be like, oh, curtains, whatever. And then you can just scroll down. You can see what people are selling. You can see what people are buying. You can go into people's shops and see what sales people have. Some people, because they're dumb, they don't have that off. So that means that you can just see what people are buying in their shop. You can just replicate that by selling similar items. So yeah. Another thing is to take note of the items that say plus 20 people have this in their cart, or 20 plus people have this in their cart, because that means that it's popular and that people have it in their cart. You're actually wanting to buy it. So if you sell similar things to that, then people are gonna buy your product. Feel me? Just like that. The second method is to search on Amazon. So in Amazon, you guys are gonna type a certain niche, for example, curtains, like I said before, and you're gonna scroll down and see just what's popping, what you think could sell on Etsy transfer so that you can sell it for more money. For example, let's say you found a curtain, right? That says it sells for $5, but it looks like it can sell it for $20, then that's perfect. You can make $15 from that alone. So you can just do that. For me, you can just scroll down, see the star reviews. If things have a lot of reviews, that means it's good. People are buying it, people are liking it. So yeah, that's just another little way that you guys can find products. Feel me? The third is Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing. Pinterest helps you find, gives you ideas about whatever it is. You can just look up anything on Pinterest, for example. You guys could just type products to sell on whatever on Etsy, right? And then it's gonna give you more ideas on what you guys could sell, what people like, etc. Or you guys could type a certain niche. For me, yeah, whatever type anime. You guys give you ideas on what to sell, anime products, anime merch, whatever, right? And then you guys could just try to find it on Amazon, whatever, and then you guys could just sell that as well. So yeah. The fourth and final way is just to brainstorm what wealthy people will buy, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, me personally, I think that the Etsy buyers, the average income is like 100,000, right? So that means they have more money to spend. So you guys can just brainstorm. For me, use whatever other site, whatever Amazon, Pinterest, whatever, Google Chrome, whatever, right? And you guys can just brainstorm items that wealthy people will buy. Like for example, you can just sell like jewelry that just looks expensive but actually is not. And since it looks expensive, you could like turn up the price a little more, make a little profit. Feel me? So let's say you find this jewelry that costs like $10 and shit, right, on Amazon, but you change the pictures around, make it look cute, put that shit to 1,000. Yeah, like come on, bro. Not 1,000. I'm just joking. Not 1,000, but you can just put it to like 50. Or something, right? Especially if it's customizable, you can like add a little custom thing to it. Oh my god, they're gonna eat that up on Etsy, bro. So yeah, that's the fourth and final way. And that's it. That's just 4 different methods that could help you guys figure out what products to sell. And I told you guys how to find good products to sell. Except I'm gonna do other videos as well, going in more depth and stuff like that. Feel me? So it can help you guys even more. And yeah, make sure you guys keep the target audience you guys want to like target in mind, so you guys know what to target, what to look for specifically, etc. I'm also do videos on like TikTok, how you guys can find it using TikTok or like ChatGPT, stuff like that. So yeah, you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.